Good morning, traders. Happy Friday and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard. I am your host for this pre-market session. This morning we're sorted by VS2, which is our volume spike indicator. We'll be watching for volume spikes to occur in these two columns. These are our pre-market scans. This one is the standard scan that you can create with ThinkorSwim. This is a pre-market scan also, but it takes into consideration the stocks that moved in yesterday's after-hours trading. Once we see a volume spike, we will come over here and check this current bar volume to make sure there's enough volume to get in and get out of the stock safely. And what I mean by that is this number needs to really be flying. It needs to be attacked by the investors, not just a few ticks here and there. Once we confirm the volume, we want to make sure that we break through this moving average, which is 34. We want to try to buy stocks above this moving average and sell stocks below it. Once we confirm these white arrows are coming in, these are pullback arrows. For instance, the stock pulled back here and it started going back up, and you see a white arrow here. It pulls up again and pulls back, and you see another white arrow. It's guiding you through what this stock is doing. But I prefer to have a lot of volume when this is all taking place, and I confirm that by looking down here at Dominator Master. I want to see tall green bars coming in. Those are buyers buying up this stock to make the price go higher. You'll see me set resistance and support levels on these pullbacks, and you want to plan your entry down here on these pullbacks. I can't tell you exactly when to get in because you have to watch these green bars down here. If the stock price pulls back to this support level and green bars are coming in, chances are this stock is going to move up towards the top side. Also like to see this my blessing indicator pointing up about like it is. Much more steeper angle would be even better, but as long as it is going upwards. This white line is the trend of the stock. This line here is a faster moving line. It's the buyers and the sellers. So they're selling here and they're buying coming back up. So you'll see me mark these two lines. The support level, the price drops down. If we have green bars and this indicator looks good, chances are it's going to go up further. Never trade off my screen. My screen is sometimes delayed, and delays can cost you money. So make sure you get set up on your own computer. Also, never take my words or my tools or my suggestions seriously until you have contacted a professional financial advisor. Let him guide you. He is the pro at it, not me. I just teach indicators and build them. So make sure you reach out to a financial advisor before you make any trades off of any of my suggestions or tools. We still have about 3.5 minutes to go. Haven't seen much moving this morning. Hopefully we'll get some plays in. It's been a really slow week. But we can't have all the days and weeks good. We've been doing really good in the past. We just have to be patient and wait for the market to turn in our direction, and we'll hit it hard again. Hope everyone's ready for the weekend. I kind of hate to see the weekends coming because I can't trade, but I guess I need a break too every now and then. FOXO moving up a little bit. We've been having quite a penny stock couple of weeks. Lots of them been moving. So those of you on Discord who are testing that new scan for me, it's not going to show anything unless something starts breaking out. And it has to meet certain conditions, so don't let the blank scan make you think it's not working. It's really working good. It's already posted NVIDIA this morning and several other stocks. So I know it works. I'm just hoping the coding is right and the stocks it does pick up are worth buying. LGVN making a spike up. Let me get rid of this current line that's here already. I will mark the resistance and support levels when they happen. So when this price stops rising, I will put a resistance level. When the red candle comes in, or green, it could be green but going down, I will set a support level, and then we watch for the dominator bars down below. If they come in back green, they're going to drive the stock up even higher. So this candle needs to close and start pulling back. If you see a long wick on the bottom of this candle, that means the buyers are not going to let it drop and the price will continue to rise. It is falling now. So watch for green dominator bars to come in down below, not the red bar. Those are profit takers from the run up. They are buying it up. There's the long wick on the bottom. They're going to push it higher. Well, they tried. It ran into a brick wall. It still may go. Keep an eye on the dominator bars. We'll see if it takes off. Make sure your chart is on EXT as well, or you won't get a trade in. That would be in your active trader. Pushing up through 323, green dominator bars coming in. Come on, baby, give us some money this morning. Nice green dominator bars. Is it going to pop? I hope so. Pulling back, profit takers. The buyers are giving up at this point. It did not move fast enough. There will be other people finding this stock. We're just one of the first ones to find it. Let's see if they eventually find it and drive the price up. It is holding steady here at 320. I'm watching this volume indicator to see if the volume starts picking up. I'm also keeping my eye on these green bars. You see the My Blessing is kind of pointing south now. That shows weakness. Well, it didn't run up like I wished it would have run up. I'm seeing a lot of red in time and sales. People are giving up. Still holding around that 320 range. Tall dominator bar coming in. They're trying to push it up again. And lots of red in time and sales. They keep pushing it back down. Lots of resistance up there above 320. Hey, Rick, you have to create that watch list. It doesn't come with toss. This is one to put in your personal watch list. Keep an eye on it in case it decides to take off. And I hate to say these words, but every Friday seems to be slow. Sometimes we have a good one, but when we have a bad week, it seems like everybody goes back to cash for the weekend. Hopefully, we can push through that this morning and get some gains. Watching for volume spikes in this column. Are we finally going to get the push to the upside? I see a white arrow trying to come in. Those are pullback arrows. Still lots of resistance up there at over 320. Maybe we'll get them all bought up here, everything they're trying to sell and drive the price higher. Lots of red on time and sales. It's almost like the algos kick in every time we try to drive it up. They drive it down. If you're not also running the relative volume scan, that stock is listed in it. Has low float, higher than normal volume. It's also being tracked by Magic Scan. And this is the other stock that was posted through that new scan that I sent out. And not everyone will get that scan. I just have a few people testing it. If you're lucky to catch the link, then you can test it. Well, it looks like enjoy your coffee while we wait on LGVN to make a move. Hopefully them sellers above 320 will get all bought up and it'll drive it up a little bit more. Another penny stock pushing up slightly. I'm watching LGVN over here to see if it gets a volume spike. Not a lot of volume in this penny stock. 30,000 is not good enough. The cheaper they are, the more shares that you have to buy to make money. So a high volume here would be like 500,000 a million, not just 10 or 20. FOXO, another penny stock on the move. Not a whole lot of volume in this one either, but it seems to be picking up. Pushing up slightly. We are getting a slight pullback. I don't know if it has enough buyers to drive it back up, but there's the resistance level. I will mark the support level once this candle closes. Looks like the buyers have short patience this morning. They're not hanging in there. If they don't move, they're bailing out on the stock. There's the close for the support level. Let's see if we get some green dominator bars to come in to drive it back up. Lots of red in time and sales. Don't have much faith in that one whatsoever. FOXO trying to move up, but struggling. So if you're new here, this is the master scalper. The candles are color coded to several indicators. So you'll see a red candle moving up. That tells you that one of the indicators are not in align with the rest. But the buyers are still pushing it up, but there's a warning that one of these indicators may not be absolutely correct. And you'll see green candles coming down because of the same situation, so don't let that confuse you. They turn red just to give you a warning if it's going up and you're in it that something's not quite right. Definitely acting like a Friday. LGVN still holding that price range. That's always a good sign. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Buyers trying to push it up. Let's see if they still have a lot of sellers up there at the over 320. Looks like they were all gone. Now we are pushing up. Very hard for me to predict that was going to happen. There's no pullback. There's nothing. All of a sudden, a group of buyers comes in, pushes it up. That's where you have to use common sense. Do you want to chase a green candle or wait on a pullback? Me, I want to wait, make sure that the run up is secure. See lots of red coming in on time and sales. I'll go ahead and mark resistance and see if we get a support level to get in on. And that would be providing we have green dominator bars, not red ones. You're testing the new daily breakout scan. There is a stock in it, LGVN. And it's pushing up. Lots of red coming in time and sales. Every time we have a little green spike, we have a big red time and sales. So be careful here. Pushing up a little higher. So the breakout scan seems to be working. Good job, Philly. The stock is holding its price level every time it goes up, so it may be a good one. Eventually, if we can get all the buyers to wake up, it might can go up to 450. See you later, Paul. Have a good one. God bless you. Nice job, A. Rick and Nozzle. Looks like we may be getting ready for another push to the upside. Red dominator bar coming in. That would be buyers being impatient and taking their profits. I'll go ahead and set a resistance level here. We already have a support level down at 345. Good job, Jay. Profit is profit. Don't let small amounts to make you feel bad because you are green. As long as you are green, you are good. The challenge is being green at the end of the day. BPTH pushing up. Green dominator bar. It's kind of short though. Volume is still low. I'm watching right up here. Volume seems to be dying off. And picking back up. Pushing up for a new high, 283, 288. I see a previous resistance level above the candles. Profit takers coming in. I'll mark the resistance level. Really not enough volume in this stock to play it. That candle did close. Let's see if the buyers can push it up, but I don't think they're going to be there. NVIDIA back in the scan we're testing. BPTH pushing back up to the resistance level. Not enough buyers to drive this stock. Not enough volume. LGVN still just holding the price around 355. Another penny stock. Not enough volume here either, but it is pushing. Be careful on this one. This could be a pump and dump. I'm not seeing any sellers in the list, just buyers on the ladder and active trader. No sellers there whatsoever. Now we see some sellers. It's a penny stock morning. It looks like it's been a penny stock week, really. Small gains. TNXP on the new scan that you're testing. Good morning, Jimmy. LGVN pulling back now after the run up. This penny stock still pushing higher. Looks like we have resistance around the 45-cent area. Not seeing a whole lot of buyers in this one. Pushing up a little. One green dominator bar. Other traders have found this penny stock. I guess they want to make 25 cents too. Pushing up to 46 for a new high. My blessing indicator is pointing south, so it's not going to hold that price. LGVN making a small spike. Time and sales is blood red. APLD on the move. Low volume. We need the volume to pick up. Let's see if other investors find that big green candle. Volume has died. It does seem to be pretty strong, Chad. It's not selling off. Still have that resistance level up there at 375. Let's see if we can break through. Definitely all red in the time and sales. Buyers are trying to buy it all up so that they can get the price moving. All right, are we breaking through here? Next resistance level probably up in the 390 range, about 10 cents from here. Still a lot of sellers up there. Nice trade R. All I can see is your first initial. Yeah, I'm watching GME. It's just doing the same thing as LGVN. Not much activity on this Friday morning. Hopefully it doesn't continue like this throughout the day. It's okay though. We can take a bad week for good 3 good ones. I'll settle for that because the last 3 weeks were pretty good. They weren't the best, but they were pretty good. If you're new here on YouTube, I do this for 1 hour, 5:55 to 6:55, 5 days a week. If you're enjoying the content that you're seeing, I know it's not too performing this morning, but you should be here on other days. You'll see some action. Hit that like button for me. Let's see if we can keep the ratings up on this YouTube video so I can keep the live stream going. YouTube pays me a little bit of money, and by you clicking that button helps. Just about pays for my coffee every morning. So in about a minute and a half, I'll be ending the YouTube stream. Hope the Lord blesses you in your trading today. Hopefully you'll join us back on Monday morning and do another week with us. If you haven't joined our Discord, hit that label at the top of the chat box, the white and the yellow one. Sign up for free. Come and talk to investors. Make sure this is real, and I assure you that it is. If you feel like you want to upgrade and make some money with us each morning for 3.5 hours, join our Discord and upgrade as a premium member. You'll get something like 53 scans, 27, 28 indicators, lots of help. So come have some fun with us when you can. All right, YouTubers, thank you for joining me this morning. God bless you the rest of the day. I will see you on Monday. Goodbye.